got this big old package from Temu. Cheers. Yeah, I guess if you didn't like that, you could always. Any lizards are drinking from the toilet brush. Okay, that's good. Hi everyone, Auntie Lissers here today, bringing you some super cute items I got from Temu. I thought since we're getting close to returning to school, people are taking those last minute vacations. I thought it would be fun to do like a little vacation haul. Got everything that you would need to go on vacation in this haul. Swimsuits, bathing suit covers, travel bag, purse, I got it all. So some of you might be asking, what is Temu? Temu is a huge shopping platform and they have everything. I mean, I'm still surprised every day that I shop. Yeah, I shop every day. But they've even got furniture. They have a pool. And if you need a carburetor for your lawnmower, they even have that too. So check the links in the description box. I'll link Temu's website as well as my code. Use that code ACK035973 when you check out. First time users are going to get a 30% discount as well as a $300 coupon bundle. You can't beat that. The app is great. It's so user-friendly. Even if you're not tech savvy, you should be able to navigate it. It's good. It makes it so easy. They've got lightning deals, flash sales, free returns, free price adjustments. You can track your shipments on there. And if you like leaving reviews, they make that very easy as well. So be sure and download that app. Again, and use my code when you check out, ACK035973. Okay, let's get into the haul, shall we? First things first. I love the quality that these towels come in. You know, if you're new to my channel, I was a big BoxyCharm. I was big into the BoxyCharm many moons ago, back when that was available. I miss my makeup. But I had got some of these through BoxyCharm, and the ones that I got at Temu just seemed like they were a little bit better quality. Now, I got this for my niece. It's got a little bear on him, but that would stop me from using it. So, that is what she looks like. Not a whole lot of explaining here on that one. All right, what's next? I'm gonna go here next. Ooh. This is a bathing suit cover-up. There's gonna be a lot of beach wear in here. I spend half of my life at the pool, so there we go. Oh, I love this one. It is like a crocheted. It's got little circles in it. So that's absolutely fabulous. And I believe this was a one size, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. I can't find a tag on it. Doesn't mean it's not there. But there it is. All right, let's see here. Hand wash cold, gentle with light. Hand wash cold, gentle with light colors. And it is a one size. And non-chlorine bleach when needed. And tumble dry low. Oh, I would just, for me, I would probably hand wash this in some woolite. And then I would just hang it dry. So that's what she looks like. And I will get plenty of use out of that. All right, moving on to the next. Okay, what did that? Here we go. I got one of these big bags. Oh my gosh. Oh, this thing is huge. Look how big that is. Yay. And it's pink. I think they have available in all kinds of colors, so be sure and check that out. I know they had purple, I'm almost positive, but I said I wanted the pink one in this. Sometimes I'm pink and sometimes I'm purple. Woo-wee! So when we finally get ready to go somewhere, I'm ready to go now. I love it. Aha! Very happy with that indeed. And I think that was right under 10 bucks. I'll pop the prices on here since I'm not quite sure how much everything is. But I will come back later on and we'll, oh, there goes a light, but that's okay. Let's see. We'll just get him out the way. Put this right here. There we go. Move these bags. All right, there we go. Okay. It's a good thing the camera's on. I'd have probably been very mad. I got another bathing suit cover in here. So let's see how this one, uh-oh, it's stuck on the baggage. Oh my gosh, I'm terrible with this. Oh no, oh no. Oh, it's in there good too. All right, where's the scissors? Well, that's not Temu's fault, but I've got a thread burner, so I'll go in and singe that up. Oh man, this thing is great. Ooh. Wow, it's a little short, but I think it'll be fine. I'll try this on for you guys later. But yeah, that one's cool. I just hope it fits okay. And this one might be size. Let's take a look and see. Nope, it's a 1 size or 2. And the same kind of care and everything. It's in instructions. Oh, but I love the colors. So that is what those two look like color-wise. All right, moving on. Bathing suit. Now, whether I come on here and show you what Auntie Lissers looks like in a bathing suit is, well, we'll have to see. I've never had a picture taken in a bathing suit. But one thing I love about Temu is the bras fit. And this is a good one too. So that looks great. That looks like I'll have no problem fitting in that. Let's see here. Oh. Now the pants on this one, they might be cut a little high for Auntie Lissers. Auntie Lissers is a little overweight. A lot overweight. And it might be okay. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't on me. So we'll see how that works. All right. I know I've got another bathing suit that looks just like this one. And it fits so good. And it is, I think, this is an extra large. The other one I have is a 2XL. But the top looks great. Definitely going to be some room for the girls in that one. And then the pants on it, they are fine. Yeah, there's just, the other one was cut just a little bit higher. Maybe it'll work in the future. I'll try to lose some weight. Good luck on that one. I've been on diet for a month and I've lost nothing. It's getting harder and harder. Oh, I love this one. Oh my goodness. I could use this one today. Oh, they're so cute too. Need a little bonnet on. Oh, with your little bow, with the little bow. Oh. Yeah, you know, I was into Holly Hobby back in the day. You'll have to excuse me. I'm scared to death they're going to outlaw straws, so I got a package of these. They're kind of cool too. Let's take a look at them. Well, of course, I picked the worst one to look at. It's dark. And it comes with a cleaner. That's nice. Let's see here. You could probably see that. See, they got little stars in them. Aw. They make me happy. we got a corn shucker. I told my husband, I said, you're going to have to get some corn, so we're going to have to see how this works. I don't have any corn right now. If any of this stuff you like, let me know what you like in the comments. I'll be making a little dedicated video, a little shorty to some of them, and we'll see. My other toilet brush that I paid way too much for is rusted, so now I have this little cherry tomato. Cherry toilet brush. And I know this was under $5. It is adorable. It is a little thin, but for the money, for less than $5, I can't expect much. I think it's just as cute as it could be. Doesn't really match the decor because I've got baby pink in there, but I'm gonna like it anyways. It kind of sits in the back, so you can't see it anyway. So there's that. Cheers. Yeah, I guess if you did like that, you could always. Any lizards are drinking from the toilet brush. Okay, that's good. That's good. Oh, I can hear people's voices I can hear some friends' voices in my head going, "You just ain't right. You're not right." I know. I got another one of. I got a two-piece here. How cute is this? Now this is just adorable. I saw this bathing suit. I had already placed my order, okay? And then I saw this bathing suit come up. I'll pop a picture here. When I saw that, I went, oh, I want to put that in my cart. And instead of putting it in the cart, I did a one-click payment. Oops. Sorry, hubby. So that is extra large there. And I will model this one for you, so be sure to do a little shorty on that. I'll probably do, I know this one looks okay, so I'll do one shorty of some bathing suits in there. I've got another Temu, the one that I placed the order from. That'll be coming soon, so after I get some of those bathing suits, I'll let you guys see. But don't tell anybody, because we don't want that going viral. I'm not sure what this is. What is it? I don't remember. Oh, okay, this is a rug. Rugs are ridiculous. I mean, we just don't make rugs anymore. The quality is hard. I tried to get my husband some for his bathroom, and I got the top of the line ones, and they're not very good. I got them from Kohl's, but anyways, how about this? You've got an indoor-outdoor rug. It's got a pink flamingo on it. I love it. And this is plenty big too. I'll put right here what the measurements are after I check the video or after I check my order. But this is cool. I love it. Yay! And I think I have one more item left. Nope, we got a couple here. Ooh. Now I got something in the box. Wonder what's in the box. Let's see here. Well. Oh, okay. This is, I love the little bottom of it, but you've got a little organizer here. It does a little rotating thing for you, so that is nice. And when you put all your brushes in it, that's what that looks like. So, yeah, I needed another one. No, that's not all my brushes. I know. But I need them all. All of it. Yes, I use all of them. All right, we've got one item left. Oh, no. Oh, we got a little planner. So I can plan out doing my Temu videos. because I want more Temu. Okay, this is a meals and a grocery list. Okay, well that does me good. We never stop on what's for dinner. So that is what that looks like. So you put your meals, what you're going to eat for the week there, and hopefully you're going to be on a diet. And then you put what your grocery list is. So I like that. I think that was a little under $3, so that's good. All right. And then my last one, I got a purse. Wonder how Temu's purses are. It's wrapped up in plastic, real nice. I remember the color, it's peacock. I think I'm gonna really like the purse. Absolutely. It's kind of like the Birkin without the price tag. It's not super heavy, so that's good, because I have a problem when the bags are real heavy. I rounds my back out even quicker. So if you were going to the beach, going on a little vacation, this stuff would be great for a quick vacation. Your little bag too. I'm going to stuff this with some stuff and then bring out the bubble in it. You know, they cut down on shipping so they don't put the stuffies in it. Oh, look what else comes with it. Got a little thing for your credit cards. And then you've got your wallet too. And I do believe, I think all this was $24.99 for all three things. Let's look at the purse a little closer. It's got a big handle on it. That's wonderful. I'll show what that is on the when I'll do a shorty on the bag in the future. We'll put all this together and show it to you like that. So let's put it. I'll stuff it so we'll see the little things come out. It's not real leather, it's faux leather. Got a lot of space in there. It's a great little knockoff bag. I think it's super cute. Well, that is my haul. Let me get some stuff together and use some stuff. And we'll do some shorties coming up real soon. Let me know in the comments which item that you like the best. And if no one's told you today that they love you, Auntie Lissers loves you so, so much. And you have a father up there that loves you even more. I'll see you in the next video, guys. You go out there and have yourself a fabulous day or a fabulous evening, whichever time you're watching this. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks so much for watching. And you come back real soon. You don't